In a world of fast-changing trends and massive corporate acquisitions, one American institution has remained unchanged for over a century and a half. What makes this brewery so unique? Located in Pottsville, Pennsylvania, D.G. Yuengling Son was established in 1829 by David G. Yuengling, who had just immigrated from Germany the year before to start this historic operation. This family-owned company is officially recognized as the oldest operating brewing company in the entire United States, a title it has held for nearly 200 years. While many modern breweries focus on light lagers, Yuengling originally brewed Lord Chesterfield Ale and dark brewed porter, recipes that are still crafted today using traditional methods. For 4 decades, this brewery operated entirely on horse-drawn carriages, delivering beer to local stores, showcasing a resilience and community connection that few companies have ever matched. Even its most famous beer, the Yuengling Traditional Lager, was only introduced in 1987 on an old recipe, proving that a brand can evolve while honoring its deep-rooted past. Today, after surviving the Civil War, Prohibition, and economic downturns, this American institution continues to brew quality beer, standing as a true testament to endurance. So there you have it, a 2-century journey of resilience and tradition in the heart of America. What other American institutions do you think deserve this kind of historical spotlight? Let me know in the comments.